And we say congratulations to Pacific Historic Parks, the nonprofit partner supporting the Pearl Harbor National Memorial. They help bring the stories of Pearl Harbor to life through educational programs, exhibits, and immersive visitor experiences.
Now, beyond the boat tour to the memorial, visitors can explore interactive exhibits, historical artifacts, and a multimedia tour that provides deeper insight into the events of December 7th, 1941, and the people whose lives were forever changed.
For an even more unique perspective, Pacific Historic Parks offers virtual reality experiences that allow the guests to explore the USS Arizona from above and below the waterline, experience historic moments, and gain a greater understanding of the site's significance.
Now, whether you're visiting for the first time or returning to learn more, Pacific Historic Parks helps visitors connect with history, sacrifice, and the legacy of Pearl Harbor in a meaningful and memorable way. Pacific Historic Parks, one of the best of Hawaii.